Start. On merits, the learned counsel appearing for the appellant would contend that it is an undisputed fact that complainant (wife of appellant) had withdrawn her complaint and an affidavit to the said effect had been filed before the inquiry officer itself, and she had also not deposed before inquiry, though cited as a witness on behalf of employer, and as such the finding of the inquiry officer holding appellant guilty of alleged misconduct was an erroneous finding and liable to be set aside. Stop. Hence, he prays for appeals being allowed. Stop para. Per contra, learned counsel appearing for the respondents would support the impugned orders and submits that purported representations submitted by the appellant vide letters, had been examined by the ministry and had been rejected, and this was challenged, and same had been withdrawn by the appellant unconditionally, and as such no fault can be laid at the doors of the respondents. Stop. Hence, he prays for dismissal of the appeals. Stop para. Having heard the learned advocates appearing for the parties, and after bestowing our careful and anxious consideration to the rival contentions raised at the bar, we are of the considered view that the impugned orders are not sustainable. Stop para. It is an undisputed fact that appellant was issued with the article of charge alleging that he had deserted his wife and two school-going children and was residing along with another lady. Stop. The said disciplinary proceedings came to be initiated on account of a complaint lodged by the wife of the appellant. Stop. When the inquiry officer commenced the inquiry, in fact, in the articles of charge issued to the appellant, she was cited as a witness by the respective authority, and neither she appeared before the inquiry officer nor she had deposed in the inquiry proceedings. Stop. Though, she had already filed an affidavit withdrawing her complaint against the appellant, yet the inquiry officer proceeded with the inquiry and submitted the report as already noticed herein above, holding appellant guilty of the charge of deserting his wife and children and exonerating him of charge of residing with another lady. Stop para. They resulted in order of dismissal being passed against the appellant, and same was challenged before the tribunal by the appellant, which came to be allowed, and matter was remitted to the disciplinary authority to pass fresh order, which resulted in reinstatement of appellant into service and imposing of minor penalty, namely, stoppage of one increment of pay for a period of 1 year without cumulative effect. Stop.